We're doing a personal coat of arms and we fill out forms that we're like.
What you might want to do.
Stopping me too.
I mean, not say that to you.
Wait, the axle doesn't really turn. Wait, see, it doesn't turn as well.
Yeah, absolutely. All I have is in here, Jack. From yesterday? Is it the same one from yesterday? I think you want to have the tape, but maybe not as close to the mint. If you can move it out so you give it a little more space, because you got a little friction there.
You guys can use this. Is another fail? Well, I can keep it close around like loose. What's his name? My name. You
Oh, he said I could share. Okay. So what I would do is get some green on there, and then wait.
I know you can't see the trees. Oh, that's why you do it. Ships with the cannonball.
And what are you going to show with the fort and the cannonballs? What was important?
It was important that you said you dropped. Like it ricocheted off.
Yep.
The British thought they could get help from the South Carolinians, but the British thought wrong. So, remember up here is where Boston is, and they're all the way down here. Boston's great. Well, and so the British thought that South Carolina, that they weren't ready to fight, but they already signed the Declaration of Independence, and the British had no idea that it even existed. So ended up winning. And the reason why they sort of won is because when they came, they thought, oh well, a lot of them are probably loyalists, since up here. They don't agree, but they think, okay, well, if we go all the way down here, they couldn't care less, and they're loyalists. But they weren't, and so they won.
Max, what do you think? What did you think that taught the British?
It doesn't know how much stuff you have, how many people you have, how good you are. It just matters how you play.
Okay. Okay, David.
The colonists were kind of telling them that that was telling them that.
You just want if there's seven, Joe. If there's seven red, Joe. If there's seven red.
A white bird.
I just know that
We really appreciate you. Strong American flag.
Capital W.
No, don't do that.
Are you signing it? Yes, 42.
As a child, Steve loved to watch his dad build and fix.
On tape, you get paid more.
Boat machines. Not just any machines, but not standing machines, but a machine. Steve was sure he could sit.
So nobody had computers in 1970.
Was it like the 1970s? And there's one as big as a room.
This is the person, and then it's all the stuff you think or you do know about him.
Oh, go to 2009.
Wozniak started Apple Computers in the Jobs garage. Their computer, the Apple II, was the hit of the West Coast Computer Fair in 1977. Why? Oh, it looks fun to use.
Yeah, what looks better to use?
So each one of those is 60? Okay. So,
125 is
oh, well, what about this one?
60.
Okay, so how much of
Three down.
a five-sided shape?
A pentagon.
Pentagon, right. I'm just drawing a random one. Okay, now what do you notice about all the sides on this pentagon?
They're equal.
They're equal, so what does that mean about all the angles?
They're equal.
They're equal. So,
Nothing you need to worry about. 65.
so
22. Wow.
90-degree angle, look.
69.
Right, a whole lot of 20 Mule Team Borax, yeah.
Yeah, so when all of that started to cool, it cooled together, and then the borax on the pipe cleaner, like when it cooled off, it just grew the crystals.
Right, it grew the crystals. So, what?
What's the symbol of what? This one. This is said without the orange thing right there. Wait, what is it? If you X out, it cools.
Josh.
It cools quickly, so it doesn't grow any crystals.
Right. And, great.
Like the crystals on it.
Yeah.
This one looks so pretty.
No, that one.
It on so it can hang this way instead of with his head down, and I think it looks great.
Yeah, his head's still down.
It would be a great thing for you to do at home. I'm going to give you one of the instruction sheets when you take yours home. So see, if yours had been touching that, it would kind of be cemented to it like one.
And it's about a person named Kyle Keeley, and each person in his class we're going to write an essay, and whoever the best one gets to visit the new library.
The Cage Castle is in Aslan, a town pretty far away. One thing that is special about the people of Monesco is that they have lived around them for so long, it's like in them. This allows them to...
Is there accountability on the first book or both books?
Pretty much the first book, but I still put a picture of the second book, just so if you read the first book, you could read it. Go to a random school, because 2 half-bloods were there, so which is 5 stars. I highly recommend Island of the Blue Dolphins.
And they're in the Space Hotel when the president is they're trying to scare them away and telling them to go down to Earth because they think they're men from Mars.
Is this like a different universe or something?
Kind of. It's like an alternate reality that's kind of like a fantasy medieval